Okay, so while you're working on this problem, I'm going to go over the 3 scenarios for tomorrow. Okay? The first scenario is that we have school as normal tomorrow. Okay? If that is the case, you will take your quiz tomorrow, paper and pencil in class. Okay? Scenario number 2 is big flakes start falling from the sky, as is falling right now, okay? And we don't have school. More than likely, the school district would, the new quote-unquote procedure is they're going to cancel today or tomorrow, if they would, because they've got to send devices home to the elementary school. So they're not going to cancel at 6 in the morning anymore because it becomes an e-learning day. We're not talking about it. We're not talking about it. Okay? So the nice thing about that though is that you would know today what you have to do tomorrow. If that is the case today, this afternoon, if Mr. Steckbauer comes on the announcement at like 2 o'clock and says, I've just been informed that tomorrow the Wausau School District will have an inclement weather day. Okay? If that's the case, your quiz tomorrow will be on its learning. And that will be your attendance for tomorrow. Okay? All right? That's the only thing that you have to do. You don't have to log into a class. You don't have to come to a specific office hours, whatever. Okay? What you would have to accomplish tomorrow for Algebra 3 would be taking the online quiz. Okay? Scenario number 3 is we come to school and then they cancel school like halfway through. That one I haven't quite figured out yet because if it's an 11:30 cancelizing, then that's halfway through already, and then we'll just figure it out from there. If like half the class has already taken the quiz, then we'll just put the other half of the classes or the other class in the resource center. And they can do it sometime next week. Or if it's a 1 o'clock, that'd be great because Algebra 3 is done by 1 o'clock, and then we don't have to worry about it. So that one's kind of wishy-washy. But if we do have school tomorrow, you have a quiz. If we don't have school tomorrow, you have an online quiz. Okay?
How do you even do an online quiz?
It's all in its learning. You log into its learning.
Yeah, but like graphing and stuff.
It's all, the pictures are already all up there. And you just have to answer.
Which one is right.
Yeah, you have to choose which one's right, or you have to, interpret them. Or,
You should give me an altitude to get the crossword. Like, I should test it with a card.
Okay.
That was stupid.
How to do it.
Very cool.
Go on.
Where are we?
Matthias.
Matthias, there's Matthias.
Found him.
Hey.
Sorry, found
Well, guys, where are you?
I don't want to sit up there. I'm kind of. Oh, no, you're fine. It's just I spread myself out.
Yes, on the factoring?
Yes.
Okay. So before I go into the canceling, let's knock out domain. Right? So what is the domain of this function?
Don't know.
5 and -1? -5, +1. Which one?
So do you have to choose between the what?
Oh, wait, no, it's opposite.
-5 and +1? So x cannot equal -5 and +1.
I don't get that.
Because I set the denominator equal to 0, right?
Oh.
Right?
Yeah.
So okay. Now, does anything factor out?
X minus 1.
X minus 1s factor themselves out. So that gives me my new function. As 4 over x plus 5.
Yes.
Yeah? Vertical asymptote? No.
Oh.
Just -5 because we're using our new function now. Horizontal asymptote.
Y equals 0.
Rod, give me my
2,
marker
3,
back
4, 5. No fighting over markers.
You know my marker,
She's
she has the
being
best
dramatic.
Very much so. Probably because you were talking when she was working and she was talking when you were working.
Exactly. That's exactly what I put down.
We're both at fault here.
Yep, exactly.
And it's me, that's.
So that's step 2, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, step 3.
How do I intercept?
How do I do that?
The
What do I get?
4 to 5. That, yeah.
Step 4.
Find the x.
Oh, because we're using the new function. Okay.
Whoa, step break. That was me.
Because 4
Set the numerator equal to 0.
Set the numerator equals 0.
So that
4. 4, 0.
there would be no x intersection.
None?
4 can't equal 0.
Oh, I didn't get that on.
4 can't equal 0.
I always do it wrong. Oh.
Step 5.
Find the hole.
Is there a hole?
Yes.
Why?
Factor.
Because we factored something out. What did we factor out? X minus 1. So what do we do? X minus 1 equals 0. Gives me x equals 1. What do I do with x equals 1? What do you get?
4 over 6.
Can that be reduced?
Yeah.
2/3.
So where's the hole?
2, 3.
1 2/3. 1 comma 2/3. Put it on the graph.
Okay. How do I put it on the graph?
You put it like a circle. And open it. Perfect.
An open circle. Okay. Step 6.
There's no step 6.
Don't have it
Yeah,
yet.
we got step 7.
Step 7.
Find the other points.
Find more points. Yeah. So let's go with -4. If I put in -4, I got 4 over 1, which is 4. That's enough points over there. Then we can go over to the other side. -5. 4 over -1. Oh, no, excuse me, can't use -5. -6 is still 4 over -1. -7. 4 over -2.
What's the point of the whole?
Where we factored it out.
Yeah, but why do you put it on the graph?
Because it doesn't work there. because it doesn't work in the original function. Always.
Like the -6.
Everything after the domain, new function. Questions, comments, concerns?
No.
We're getting there. Oh, we don't. It's good.
And you can do it in the
So and behavior would be as x goes to positive infinity or function approaches 0 from above. X goes to negative infinity or function approaches 0 from below. X goes to -5 from the left, it approaches negative infinity. From the right, positive. Okay. Oh, you know, you're an all-star. Get your game on.
Yo!
Go play. Okay, go for it.
That's fun.
Step 0.
Factor.
Factor. Top I can factor out a 3. Bottom can factor to be x minus 2, x plus 2. Yes?
Yeah.
Okay. Domain. Or excuse me, step 1 is what? Domain? What is the domain? Vertical asymptotes, also in
X equals 2 and X equals -2. We ain't finding holes anymore.
horizontal asymptote.
Y equals 0.
Good so far.
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, step 3. Where's the y-intercept?
0.
Negative 9/4, right? Because it's positive 9 over negative 4. Negative 9/4, that's what? Negative 2.25? Good?
Yeah.
Okay. Step 4.
Actually,
What is the x-intercept? Legal? Not legal.
Legal,
Why?
because it's not the vertical.
You can cross a horizontal asymptote and a vertical asymptote or a hole. Hole.
no hole.
No.
No hole.
Ain't factored.
Didn't factor anything else. Hmm? Which section do you want to draw first?
The middle one.
Why?
Because it's harder.
Well, it's actually easier.
It's actually the easiest one to draw.
Yeah, knowing that like it's above the y-axis.
No, it's below the y-axis.
Oh, below the axis.
Or below the x-axis.
X-axis, we know that's going to go down.
It's going to go down. Why do we know that the middle section
I didn't know that.
is going to go down?
And it cannot cross.
How do we know that?
That's what we're trying to explain right now.
It cannot cross.
Grace, there's only one x-intercept.
Oh, yeah.
So it's got to go down. And the x-intercept that we have is not in that middle section. So it's gotta go down.
But if there was two x-intercepts, it could go up.
If it was in the middle section.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Oh, so if the second x-intercept was in the middle section, it could go up.
One side could go up.
So if you never
Okay,
have
so
a,
it could be like,
if you never have a flat, there's a between in there.
Mhm.
If it's at like 0, 0, how do you know it's going to go?
you have to do the t-shirt, right?
Yep. So you gotta do two T-shirts, right? Okay. What do we want to do for? Which one do you want to do first, left or right? Left. Okay. What do you want to do? -4. Okay. So if I put in -4, that would be -12 plus 9 is -3. Over 16 minus 4 is 12.
You make that one
You can. Do you think we should do one to the left of 3? What would be the point left of 3 that you want to try?
We could do
-2.5? Alright, let's do -10 first then. So -30 plus 9 is -21. All over 96. That's less than a quarter, right?
Let's see. So. Yeah, it is.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And then, oh, it's gonna go, woo,
You think?
yeah, it's going up.
You think?
Are you sure?
Or is it gonna kiss and go down?
Is there other?
See how do we know?
Yeah, it goes down.
We gotta try -2.5, right?
Isn't 2.5 like past the
Nope.
first class?
No, that's 2.
Oh, it's like right, oh, okay, I see.
Okay?
So
It's in between. Okay? So -2.5 times 3. -7.5 plus 9.
1.5.
-2.5 squared.
-6.25.
Minus 4.
-10.25.
-2.5 squared. Somebody help her out.
Is my calculator down?
You're supposed to use the parentheses
Around what?
around the.
-2.5. A squared term should be positive.
Wouldn't it just be -5?
A squared term should be positive.
So 5.
What do we got?
Oh,
It's 5.
right.
Not 5?
Yeah.
What?
2.5 squared. 6.25. Minus 4.
Are you doing the same thing as me?
2.25.
That's literally what it said.
No, that's not literally what you said.
6.2.
You said
Yeah,
negative.
-4.
You said -2.25. Actually, yours should have been -10.25 the way that you did. Okay. Is that positive or is that negative?
Probably negative.
Wait, no, because
1.5
divided by
Do you
2.25.
need to do this on a calculator?
It's positive.
Why?
Because they're both
They're
positive.
both positive.
That's my bad.
Okay. You have to go back and figure out numbers first. Yes.
Well, I don't know what like the number one is. What is the
That's you.
Are we?
3. 9 plus 9 is 18. 9 minus 4 is 5. That's what? 3 point something.
3 point something.
10.
Wait a minute.
I'm listening. 39. 96. Talk to me, Ross.
I'm just trying, you're going really fast and it's like making my brain nervous, so then I feel like I'm making errors,
Oh, okay.
but I'm trying.
Sorry.
Wait, I thought we could cross
Point
it.
my password.
No, the
So-
other one, yeah.
30 plus 9 is 39.
Yep.
100.
Minus 4 is
96.
small.
Yeah.
Still positive, though. You know why?
Because they're both positive.
They're both positive.
I got that.
Good?
Good. Good.
Questions, comments, explanations?
Are we doing another one or no?
I don't know. Should we see?
Well, I just want to know because if we're not, I want to do the end and ask. Oh. Okay. Perfect.
Oh, nice.
Mhm.
I'm so amazed